Hello everybody, and thank you for coming to another nature story time. As you can see, well, maybe you can't see, it is winter, so we're in the middle of January, but we have no snow. It is very cold, but we don't have any snow. And I love winter and I love snow, so I'm really hoping we can get some snow in our forecast. So for today's nature story time, we're going to read a book all about snow and hope that it brings some snow our way. Strider would also really like some snow. How about he? So today's story is called Snow. It was written by Cynthia Rylant and illustrated by Lauren Stringer. So let's get started. You can hear the Blue Jays are very upset about something here. The best snow is the snow that comes softly in the night, like a shy friend, afraid to knock. So she thinks she'll just wait in the yard until you see her. This is the snow that brings you peace. I hope for this snow every night when I go to bed. And then there is the snow that begins to fall in fat, cheerful flakes, while you are somewhere you'd rather not be. Maybe school, maybe work. And this snow tells you, as it falls, that it will send you home early. Don't worry, home is where you need to be, and this snow will take you there. It will send you back over slippery white roads to the rooms you love so well, and it will say that it is all right to be happy. Some snow falls only lightly, just enough to make you notice the delicate limbs of trees, the light falling from the lamppost, or a sparrow's small feet. Look at those little bird tracks on the windowsill. And some snows fall so heavy they bury cars up to their noses and make evergreens bow and keep your kitties curled up a while. Children love snow better than anyone does, and they never complain as they pull on their red boots and mittens and make plans to catch wet flakes on their tongue. And roll their small bodies to the bottom of a hill. The snow loves them back. It gives them angels and new friends. And the snow, while it is here, reminds us of this, that nothing lasts forever except memories. And while the snow is here, this brief moment, let us take a walk and see how beautiful the world is. And then come back to our white, quiet homes and make something warm to drink and maybe read or play a game or tell each other all that we've been thinking. The snow is falling while the flowers sleep and the sun sleeps and the soft green gardens are waiting. It is the snow's turn now. we'll watch it fall. The end. So that is our story for today. Maybe you're feeling like I am, feeling anxious for snow. Maybe you're perfectly fine with no snow. But I'll put some resources down below if you want to dive deeper into the science of snow. Or perhaps you want to take a moment, find some recycled paper in your house and make some snowflakes to decorate on your windows. If you are missing the snow, we can maybe make our own snow. But whatever you do, get outside and enjoy winter, even without any snow. I know we have some cold temps up ahead, but then it's going to start getting warmer again. So make sure you carve out that time to spend out in nature and find a new discovery for you. We'll see you again soon for another story time. Bye-bye.